Hey guys, hey, it's your girl Shirley. How you guys doing today? So as you can see by the title, I will be eating everything orange today. So today I'm doing like an intermediate fasting where, not on purpose, but woke up late and just want to start my day. So basically going right into a smoothie. That'll be my first meal, and then we get into like a pasta dish and then dinner. So I'll be showing you guys what I'm going to eat for 24 hours. And yeah, everything has to be orange, like literally orange or orange color family. So let's get right into it. I'm not gonna talk too much, but as you guys can see, outside is beaming, it's hot. So yeah, with that being said, we're gonna go right into this video, and thank you guys for watching thus far. I appreciate you guys, and please like, comment, and share, and subscribe. Guys, did you hear what I just said? I'm about to eat everything orange. Like seriously, no greens, no, you know what I'm saying, no browns, nothing, just orange. I'm about to cry. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I wanted to make this whole process easy as possible, so I know smoothies was, I could get a lot of fruits, oranges, papaya, and things like that. So that's why I decided to do a smoothie. Let's be real, guys. When since they had orange tomatoes? I mean, I know they had them, but when since they had them? You know what I mean? Like, I don't know, but this helped me out a lot. All right, guys, as you can see, I kind of had an idea with the sweet potatoes because I know it looks brown outside, but I know inside is orange. I know I definitely wanted to use them. All right, guys, so I was looking for some orange noodles. I did see one, but I wasn't really feeling the flavor, so I just went with plain pasta. Like, let's just take a moment to like see how, how pretty this is. Like, it's just given. The colors are just given. Like, yeah. Honestly felt like I cheated because think about it. Like, look how much options is there. Like, you know what I mean? A lot of the different type of orange juice with flavors, like with mangoes and tangerine and things like that. So I actually won when I decided to do orange, in my opinion. So y'all know y'all girl love food. So I was like, okay, what can I eat for a snack? The norm is to get some chips, but I didn't feel for no chips. I wanted something healthy. As I told y'all, I'm on a healthy so-called journey. So I was like, let me try some oranges. But I was like, I seen these canned mandarins. So let me get that. So that's what we got. Hey guys, hey. So I'm back from Whole Foods on my way home. And sorry, this light is crazy, but we're going to chop it up when we get home. I'm so hungry right now. Definitely want a smoothie. So yeah, we're going to chop it up and get right into it. Period. Yeah. All right, guys. So basically, we're home. So now we're going to get right into it. So you guys see the sweet potatoes. So that was going to be like either for lunch or dinner, but I decided to do it for dinner. And then you have the oranges there that I'm going to blend up in the smoothie. And then we have our sweet potatoes that we're going to do and use it for a pasta. Then we had our snacks, our mandarins over there. Then we have the tomatoes that we're going to dice up and put on top of the pasta. Then I just decided to get some flowers because I'm just acting like I'm bougie, right? Some orange flowers and put on a bad boy on that, dinner for later. Then we have the penne pasta. Then we have the salmon. I don't know if salmon is 100% orange, but we're gonna make it orange today, right? Because it's in between, in my opinion. Then you see back there, we have the organic mango dragon fruit. But long story short, I know the papaya, I didn't purchase it at Whole Foods, but yeah, we're gonna use that as well in the smoothie. And then you see the alkaline water. So let's get into it. dance you to the song. Hey friends. All right, guys, enough of me acting stupid, but but now it's time for lunchtime. So I'm here staring at the pot, and I'm like, okay, what can I do to make this orange? I mean, I already explained to you guys earlier that I wanted to do something like with the peppers, but I don't know. I was trying to think if I could do something with the water as well. Well, not the water, but anything else to enhance the orange color. But yeah, it didn't work, so I wasn't thinking right. So I was like, okay, let me just go with my original plan. So basically, I'm just going to sear some peppers, blend it up. Hopefully it comes out orange, guys. Don't kill me, because trust me, this task, it may seem easy, but it really wasn't. This technique right here, honestly, if you have like asthma or something like that, it's not a go for you. It was very smoky in here, and I just couldn't wait to finish. And then I had to burn some candles after because it was crazy. The scent in there was like really horrible. This part could have been done better, but you get the drift. It's starting to be too smoky in here, so yeah. So then I just sauteed some onions just to give it that nice, flavor. And then I would add the sauce after. Alright, so it doesn't look appealing, but it smells good now, so hopefully it tastes good. I never did it with the orange peppers, I always did it with like the red peppers. So, yeah. Only because the red peppers is the sweetest out of all of them, and it has a nice flavor to it once it's roasted. Never roasted the orange. Maybe in chef school, but not sure. I know for sure I did the yellow and red one. So yeah, and green. It's alright, so yeah, this is it. I'm gonna add cream shortly, but I just want you to see the bubbles come in. Just want to caramelize it a little bit. We're gonna season this bad boy. And yeah, this is the orange color. Doesn't look orange, but hey. So I seasoned the pasta with some seasoned salt and some black pepper, and I did some onion powder and garlic powder as well. And yeah, that was it. Now there you have it. Here is the so-called orange pasta that I tried to invent, and I just added some orange fresh tomatoes just for like, some freshness to the pasta. It was really not bad at all. Mm. All right, guys, it's good. The tomatoes added a nice freshness to it, and added some salt, some onion, garlic. The red peppers just did the justice. It had flavor already, and it had like a sweetness to it. And then add a little all-purpose seasoning, and yeah, just a little bit of cream because I didn't want to change the color, honestly. So no cheese at all, but you can add cheese if you want, and you don't have to add the cream. And if you're a vegan, you could just substitute it with vegan butter, but everything else was vegan. All right, guys, I see you guys when it's dinner time. Bye. All right, guys, guess what time is it? It's dinner time. So I had to set this bad boy so I could bake my sweet potatoes. Now let's get into the seasoned salmon. Look at that, man. Look at that. Like, it was seasoned to the, well, there ain't no bone, so I can't say seasoned to the bone, but yeah. Some may argue that it's not orange, but in my case, I'm blind, it's orange. All right, guys. So you guys know your girl love butter. So I did melt some butter in a pan. Then I did the salmon skin down first, flipped it over, did the top, and then I flipped it over again. So I don't like everything too well done on the salmon. That's just me. So then set to a side, and we're gonna start with our veggies. All right, guys. So your girl just made some maple butter. Basically melted the butter, put some maple syrup in there, and a bit of salt to extract the sweetness, and paste it on top of that sweet potatoes mash. It was good. All right, guys, let's get into this last plate of the day. Let's get into the salmon. Look there, man. It's so gorgeous. Then we have the sweet potato mash, and we have the sauteed carrots. I was about to say corn. But let's just get into all the orange. I'm not going to lie, it was challenging. I thought it would have been easier than this. It wasn't, but it was good. And please, guys, if you have any more comments, suggestions, please let me know. I'm willing and able. Yes, guys. Thank you, guys. If you reached this far, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Right? All right. Thank you, guys. See you in the next video.
We last kicked, and by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often.